Ooh, y'all look so good. But when y'all get in that pot like this, y'all gonna smell good.
I'll put in my fish for sweet cornmeal, the buttermilk cornmeal, and a hint of Jiffy cornbread mixed with some Lawry seasoning salt and some Cajun seasoning salt. Yeah, it sounds really good. Okay. My son is recording.
Yeah, 'cause I'm from Texas and California.
That's not true.
I'm from Florida.
Yeah, Florida, but we'll be in New York soon. Really
I've been in this world for 8 years.
Yeah, and you're gonna have a birthday soon too. Birthday's on Friday.
Next Friday.
This Friday coming up. Look,
Look at that.
this is tilapia. This is tilapia.
It was showing on mine.
Just lightly colored it. Okay.
Look, I'm doing it too. I make it look like I'm doing it.
We're just going to have this tilapia with some corn.
Sounds good. Oh,
Yeah.
sorry.
Okay, put it back in there. And this is tilapia when it's done. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Alright. Talk to you later.
Bye. Peace.